Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily for market close as of Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025. As I've been saying in these videos over the past few days, news flow was going to have to get incrementally much worse to see volatility, as measured by the VIX anyway, increase much beyond where it peaked. So you can see the peak here was at 60. That was back on the 7th of April, just over a week ago. Feels like half a lifetime ago now. We're now back down at 30. All right, so that's why I was very keen selling upside volatility, because things were just going to have to really go to hell in a handbasket to see the VIX climb any higher. Now, we may stay in a regime where the VIX trades between 20 and 30 for a while. All right, if we wind the clock back to 2022, that's pretty much what happened. I mean, we were between sort of 17 and 37 was your trading range. All right, so could we expect something similar? It's entirely possible. You know, maybe 20 to 30 becomes the new range rather than 12 to 20. We did have some more headlines overnight. The Trump administration are banning the exportation of H20 chips, Nvidia's high-powered chip. Nvidia stock was down about 6% in aftermarket trade. You can see that here. If we go to extended hours, big fall there back to sort of 105. So Fate, AMD was down about 8%. In other news, China has now cancelled Boeing. China has halted the deliveries of all Boeing jets, signalling another intensification of the trade war. That saw Boeing stock drop a couple of percent. Where were we down about 2.36%. Now, the reality of this trade war situation is that Boeing's planes that are manufactured in the US include about 10,000 Chinese-made parts in each plane, and avionics and engines in their planes, which are pretty important parts. So this trade war is showing a pretty stunning misunderstanding of how global supply chains work. In some more positive news, we had good earnings out from Bank of America. They reported earnings per share of 90 cents, with both revenue and earnings surpassing expectations. Stock rallied 3.6%. Citibank too had better than expected Q1 earnings. Stock rose about 1.8%. This is on the back of better reports on Monday from Goldman. And then JP Morgan, of course, beat earnings on Friday. We had a good price reaction on Friday from JP Morgan. The stock was up 4%. It was down a little today on news that Jamie Dimon sold approximately $31.5 million worth of stock. Now, this was part of a pre-arranged trading plan. And whilst pre-arranged, such significant insider sales can influence investor sentiment. But all in all, it's been a good earnings reporting season for the banks so far, and the market has responded positively. So that's a good sign. It's a promising sign that micro isn't being completely swamped by macro and that good news isn't going to waste. That's what I got for you today. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow.